Hey everyone, so this is going to be heart reading for all the signs. I hope that you all are doing well. Um, right away, I'm hearing the word whisper, whispers, or whisper in the night, or someone is whispering and talking over like a call or something. Someone might be near you and they're whispering something in your ear, and that is going to be a tingling feeling in a good way. Something is like that tingles you. Someone said something that tingles you still. The word that I am hearing, and I said in just a previous reading that I'm going to record it, is since. SINCE. Since when it's happening? Since what time? Like this situation is, happening, and you people are into communication or calling or whatever you are doing. This is coming as in like since. Okay, someone since then or when they like you. Okay, this is something very mm, uh, um, a surprised, or it's like a gift. It's like something that you open and then you reopen. Okay, it's like something since. All I can say right now is since. Someone likes you since when? Someone love you since when? Someone has they had affection since and till now. It's kind of that connection. Now there's also something that you have. Okay, I'm just going to show you the card, of course, but you have something that goes in the zone of dismiss. Okay, maybe you don't know since when this person likes you, and but there's this card of dismiss. Okay, maybe someone is afraid that you're going to dismiss this connection, or something already happened, and now there is something that happened already. This is a card that is telling me, long story short, okay, it's connected with dismiss, and it was quick, it was sudden, and it was like, what? But why? Okay, maybe this card is also connecting the energy of like since then, it was like in the zone, dismiss. Okay, or someone thought like we're not going to take this ahead, but your intuition might be telling you, so long story short is like it's always a disregard, or something is connected, ignore, look the other way, someone was looking, or they gave you all the signals that you need to look away, you need to look away, I'm not that, okay. Or maybe they were just showing you something, so they were doing something very specific. Maybe it was a pattern, and they were always telling you that you need to dismiss it. They wanted you to do it, but you never did. Possible. And by the time you decided, or you were thinking about what, they did it. Okay, or something just happened and it was abrupt. Okay, but there's also this message which I don't want to go into something like, oh, why chaos and mess. No, there are two messages. Since there is someone who likes you, since this was also the situation, so ignore, look the other way, leaving behind. So yes, I do see this. Okay, just stay strong, because oh, it is like this. Like when you feel so tired and you feel so heavy and you feel like this kind of energy where you need to do like a sigh or something. Okay, now what we're going to do is, so I feel like this card flipped out and this said like, yeah, you need to, but this person, whoever this person is, okay, there could be two energies, like then, and there is someone who already likes you since, okay, and it has nothing to do with this, okay. But whoever is like this doing, you need to know that some of your twin flames, so you won't be able to leave each other. So it's since, since ages, since birth, since previous birth, and all that stuff. um they're saying that someone is looking in your direction. Yes, I will tell that. Red color is going to be important. Okay, there is this fire sign, could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, listener, or a dealer. Reflection of soul, mirrored emotions, your other half shared feelings. I know this card is not coming out, but this card is somehow connected with sense. Okay, so this is already there. Like even if people just walk away and they don't know because the awakening is not there, or maybe one is awakened, other one is not, and all that stuff. Okay, so yes, there is someone who's standing there, and now someone is regretting their decision. I'm going to take this particular card out, but there is some sense message. Okay, okay, let's shuffle it. I'm also hearing, sorry for this, sometimes it happens. Um, it's also the message coming, making their way. So they're making their way towards you. Mm-mm. King of Wands energy. It's Hobbit deck, so there's going to be something different than other cards or something like that. But like in other decks, I've shown, like in my previous reading, one of Aquarius is what King of Wands, but which is very different because there's lion behind and man is coming ahead. Here this is King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Someone is making their way towards you. This is a so clear thing that I can tell you. They're making way towards you. They're going to land very soon. So whoever did this or whoever is like, since they're landing in your life, and even if they dismiss it or they never, because twin flames, they cannot stay away. Like there could be challenges and everything, but they cannot stay away. Okay, okay, I have to come a little closer. I was feeling weird. Okay, so they cannot stay away, what I was talking about. Okay, so there's going to be certain action and someone is going to connect with you suddenly. They're going to be connecting with you very, very sudden. Okay, even after dismiss or even after you thought, no, this is not the thing, this is not the way, this is not the person. But it's since so we don't have ear, but we have thing, like since when, long time. Okay, the connection is, so there is someone who's landing in your life. It feels so that someone, they don't have, I'm having hiccups, someone is missing me, they don't have lyrics to this song, they don't have words for this story, but because it's been since. What is coming? Okay, look, the high priestess, it's already written, it's already written in the destiny. It's since, old, vintage, lifetime connection, past life connection. But you need to know that in this situation, whatever your situation is regarding this person, whatever right now they're showing is not real. It's not what they're showing, or the situation you are seeing, it's not what it's there, or whatever the portrayal is, whatever the projection is, it's something else. So you need to know that even if this is the situation right now, avoid, overlook, or something. Okay, it's not, it's different. So what is the opposite of this? Okay, even this person is unaware about why am I doing this. So have I said this is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, one card, particular element, but a listener or dealer. Also there's a Pisces and heavy. Okay, a listener or a dealer. Water is more, apart from Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio is also here. Like we've taken two elements already. What is coming in future? So there's going to be this now situation, the present call, that people are going to figure out. Okay, because it's like unknown territory right now. Someone is looking at you continuously from wherever, like from mirror, from office, and or at your pictures, or your reels, or social status or story, whatever that is. But they're literally looking at you continuously, and they're going like F, like, and they want me to say that. I'm going to say, they're like, fuck, what? Like, I use this word only when it is required. Okay, it's not that I cannot say it, but it's like I don't want to say it. But when it is like extreme and they want me to speak it, it's okay. So I'm going to say it. Look, Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, listener, or dealer. Now you need to know again that the wolf is searching for his wolfie. And this is a universal law, a male should come. And the wolf is definitely coming. But this is queen. She been howling, okay? He been sniffing. She been howling and she been wolfing and asking her mate to come and find. And that's when it's like different things and everything. Don't go on like what is being shown. But the thing is, it's the opposite is coming. Okay, they're coming. They're going to land. Now she is doing all the wolf does, and that's why they're coming because they can hear. They can hear you from far. But since so you've been anything in past life, human, not human, any animal, anything, but you've been together for forever. So you've lived life, okay, in previous life as well. Okay, so basically it's coming right now. They're also giving me some time frame of I don't know why they're showing me this 20 years. Like it was like previous since it was written like for some of you in this lifetime it was written 20 years ago that you're going to meet after 20 years. Okay, and for some of you maybe it's like even previous life and you're going to meet in this life after 20 years, like after 20 whichever, like if you're 30 you're going to meet where in 50s. Okay, if you're 20, however this goes. Okay, peekaboo in future. Okay, Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Someone is what is the word, fascinated by you. um okay, is it a word, entranced? Okay, maybe that is what, like someone is getting like in devoted to you and like the like with devotion they watch you and see you and they respect you, they adore you, they admire you. um Someone is admiring your beauty, and please stay alert around people who mock. Okay, so someone who did this disregard or someone who mocked at or behind your back, regardless of you being so worthy and deserving, and you weren't aware about that, so it's better that it went away, it got away from you. It's a good thing, okay, because something else is landing in your life. So this particular card is of admiration, but I don't know what, there is some mystery to this card. Yes, Two of Cups. So they're saying that if someone does come around searching for you, and this person is they dismiss this, they did the disregard, disrespect was shown here. Don't give them second chance or third chance to mock at you again, or don't repeat this, okay, because this is also the energy of someone of Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, possible a listener or a dealer. Okay, whoever is dealing with whoever, you just need to know that you need to be now this time stingy, okay, like a bee. Okay, like a bee, just show them your sting. Don't be vulnerable, okay, because you might have got vulnerable in a situation where they made fun of you and you never knew, okay, or they are coming around and they will come around again to tell you, you know what, just don't go in that trap, and that's what they're showing me. Okay, so for all the signs I've said, if I ever said something somewhere here and there, no offense. Okay, so what I said, I told you about if this is a true twin flame connection that is coming ahead. But there's also someone who may come around that went into the zone of dismiss and ignored you, or disrespect was shown. You need to know that on this cut side, when I was talking about twin flame, you also have on the cut side past. And I talked all the way about past. So there is history, it happened, left behind, looking back. Since. So this is for that connection. And if anyone you had not so good past, again, you need to just block it. Block that in mind and move with good things. Okay, so what is coming for all the signs? Show me. Don't cry for people. Don't cry for people who have no feelings, who are not even sorry, who are just hypocrites. Okay, don't cry for them. Even if you did, now don't. Okay, look, they're saying, look. So I do feel that something is going to come around again to, create chaos and be chaotic again, or messy and create confusion or with pattern. This I see in this particular card. I'm telling you this, okay? Someone who mocked behind your back or talked bad is toxic. Something that is already dead, don't. Something that went into this dismiss, okay? It's going to repeat with Two of Cups energy, trying to ask you again, how have you been? Hello. Because it is unhealthy, you need to know it very clear. Okay, unhealthy, poison, delusions, nasty behavior, you have already dealt with something. Okay, now your particular, wow, your moving energy, this is where you're moving, breaking the shell, leaving the shell, or leaving the shell that is already broken, moving away, like you're moving for better. So boxed up environment change, empty shell. So basically you're moving away from anything that is bad for you. Okay, something new is coming. Dating will start. Let's see what is now coming for you. Okay, yes, look at this, you have terms card. What does that mean? Now when you're out of toxicity, when you're not, entertaining anything bad or toxic or unhealthy or poison or delusion, because you're not living in delusion, working out, begging, negotiating. Now this is like what I feel on top is like you're going to be dating on your terms. Okay, which is basically you have a line drawn, which is basically you have this respect zone. Now someone who would love to come again and beg and negotiate, you're going to say no to that. You have locked away from that. Yes, you're just I don't want to. So but on terms, on your terms, you're going to accept flowers on your terms. Okay, that's good, because you are not supposed to be getting along with someone who mocks or mock at you, because someone was there weird. In the meantime, you've been howling and calling for someone. Okay, in the meantime, you've been howling and calling for someone, whether female or male, and the person is coming. Universally, male energy is coming, and if you're male listening to me, you're going ahead with your thing. Look at this, what you've been calling and what is coming. Illuminate, revealing the truth, confessions, shedding light. This is what is going to become. It's going to be beautiful calling. Okay, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.